Hello everyone, welcome to the Junior Preschool. In this video, we are going to color the ball. In last video, we have drawn the ball on our page. Okay, let's start the coloring of the ball. Yes, this is the drawing of ball, and we can use different color as you want to color it. Here I am using the blue color and yellow color. Okay. Alternately I am using this blue color and yellow color to draw. Here I am giving first the blue color. Okay. While coloring we have to focus on the picture first. Okay. Now after that I am giving this yellow color. Yes, this is a yellow color. Always be careful at the borders. Okay. Whenever we come near the border, we should color it very slowly. Now this is the blue color. I am giving it again. Yes, this is a blue color. Blue color like this. This is a blue color. Don't be hurry, okay? Otherwise, it will give. Now here, give alternately. I am giving blue and yellow color, okay? Like this. Yes. Color it nicely, okay? Your ball looks very good then. Yes. Be careful at the time of borders. Yes. Yes. Slowly color it. Okay. Color it nicely. Color it nicely. Don't go outside.